it's Kayla. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy to have you. And if you're returning, thanks so much for coming back. It means a lot to me. And as always, I'm looking forward to your feedback. So today we have one of my favorite boxes. And if you know me, you know it's probably a Stitch Fix box, right? I love my Stitch Fix. I've been doing it for quite some time now and I really enjoy it. Stitch Fix is a style service that you fill out a style profile, and based on your style profile, your stylist sends you 5 items: clothing, jewelry, shoes, bags. They send it right to your house, and you have 3 days from the day that you get your package to try everything on in the comfort of your own home, pair it with things that are already in your closet, and make some decisions. If you decide that you like all 5 items, you get to enjoy a nice 25% off discount. And if not, you get a prepaid mailer from Stitch Fix that comes in your box, and you just stick anything that you don't want in your in the bag and send it right back to them. Really, really easy. So you do pay $20 every time you get a box, but that $20 gets credited to any items that you keep. I have a style pass which I got offered, and I got paid $49 for the year, and then that got credited to my first purchase after I bought the style pass. So I've had really good luck with Stitch Fix, and I've really enjoyed Stitch Fix. So let's go see what's inside of my box in person. Yep, I'm saying in person because I peeked. I can't help myself. I have no control when it comes to Stitch Fix, and after your box ships, you can peek to see what's inside. I do it almost every time. I think there was one time that I made it through without peeking, and I don't know how I did it because I can't seem to get myself to do it anymore. I wish I could because I liked that element of surprise. But anyway, let's see what's inside. I did cut open my box, and then here inside the box, I just wanted to show you the flap. Tells you what to do next. So it lays it out nicely right there for you, which is really cool. And also in your box comes the prepaid mailer. Like I said before, anything that you don't like and don't want to keep just goes right in here, and drop it off at the post office, or I think you can arrange for a pickup at your doorstep. Envelope with pricing, which I'll go over when I do my try on. And this is a note from my stylist and style cards. So as you can see, each of the cards has the item that she sent. The middle item is the one that's in my box, and on either side of the items are ideas to pair the item with, which is really nice. My stylist has been Alex all along, and she's done such a phenomenal job, and I never want a new stylist. I want to have Alex as long as I'm doing Stitch Fix. So let's keep it that way, Stitch Fix. Keep giving me Alex because she's great. Okay, so I did request 2 things. One, I need a buffalo plaid, some kind of buffalo plaid item to wear to a first birthday party in October, so I'm already on the hunt for that. And I also asked her to send me some nice fall colors that were affordable, or styles that were affordable in fall colors. So let's see how she did with those items. And she basically in her note says that she did her best to pull pieces that she thinks will be fabulous for the birthday party, and goes on to tell me what she sent me. So let's see how Alex did. I'm excited to try the pieces on. Like I said, I already know what they are because I peeked on the app, but seeing them in person is totally different. I've seen things on the app that I'm like, oh, I don't know why she sent me this, and they're like my favorite pieces, including this shirt actually right here. So you never know. All right, let's dig in. Oops. So first I have the 9 Britain Frankel scallop neckline blouse in black. So this looks like it's just a short sleeve type top blouse. Actually, it's a blousey material, very lightweight. And then as you can see, the neckline here, move a little bit closer. Oops, I can't seem to show you that. The scallop detail. It might be easier for me to show you when I do the try on. It's a little lay flat. This is very lightweight, so the only thing I don't like about this is that it seems like it's too short for my liking, but we'll see how it looks once I try it on. Next, I have the Kaylee Alika rib knit dress in burgundy. I'm gonna put the box on the floor because it'll make it easier for me. So it looks like kind of a sweater type dress. And it's got like that ribbed material. Love the color. I think it's so pretty. The length looks like it'll be good too. You probably can't see it as I hold it up. So the neckline looks great. We know I don't like things too close to my neck. Very lightweight. So this looks like it might be a good fall sweater dress. I don't think I own one sweater dress and I like it. So I'm excited to try this one on too. Next I have by Layla Jade. It's the Bowie 3/4 sleeve dolman knit top in burgundy. I just bought a dolman sleeve top in my Wantable box, which was black. This one has a pretty fall color. Good neckline too. So we'll see how this looks on, but I don't know. Would you buy two of the same style top just in different colors? Sometimes I do if I really, really like it. I think it's gonna depend on the price with this one. So as I try it on, I will go over the price. Next, I have Cut From The Cloth. I really like Cut From The Cloth. I got a pair in one of my, way back when I first started with Stitch Fix, and I love my Cut From The Cloth jeans. They're so comfortable. I think they fit me well. These are the Dana Skinny Jean. Show you the back. I like the wash on these. But the only thing is, I didn't purchase yet. I might purchase a pair of jeans from my other box, so I don't know. We'll have to see. I think it's gonna come down to the price and maybe the feel, because I liked the ones that I got in my other box too, but I don't know that I need the same wash, so we'll see. And then lastly, I have Lemon Tart Callan, I think, Ponte Puffer Vest in gray. They're calling this gray. So this must be the buffalo plaid item that she sent me. And it's nice. It's pretty heavy. So it's more, I would say, like a winter, something I'd wear in the winter time. I don't know that this is a fall piece for me because it's so heavy. Well, it's not that heavy. I'm probably exaggerating, but it's heavier than I expected to get right now. I do like the print, and I like the feel of it. Has pockets on each side, the zip pockets, which is nice. So we'll see how it looks. I'll try it on with that dolman sleeve top because I think it'll look good together. So I'm gonna go try everything on. We'll look at prices as I do that. And I think I'm gonna need your help to make some decisions, because if I don't like this plaid item, I need a pretty quick turnaround so that I can request something else in buffalo plaid to wear to that event next month. So anyway, I'll be right back with my first item. Okay, I'm back with my last item. And this is the Kaylee Alika rib knit dress in burgundy. It's $48. So I threw it on with a necklace that I had in my jewelry box, and I just threw on some booties. I don't think you can see them from where you are, but I don't like it with the booties, so I'm gonna move closer. I don't know if I like this dress, and it has pockets. It's super soft and comfortable, and I love the color. Love the pocket detail, but is it just me? Do my pockets and all the dresses that I get like stick out? Because I feel like they just never lay flat, and it kind of makes me not want dresses with pockets anymore. And I loved them at first, but now I don't know, because they just don't seem to look right. Maybe I'm just too hippie for them. Like, I don't know. My hips probably like make them bulge out even more. I don't know. So I don't know about this dress. I'm not really thrilled with it. I do like the color, and I like the material. I like the way it feels and lays, but I'm just not thrilled with it. So I don't think this is going to be a yes. I tried it on with some black tights and some tall black boots. No, not gonna work with that. So I don't know how I'd wear this dress, but if you have suggestions on other ways I could wear it, let me know. I'd love to hear them and maybe I'll reconsider. Anyway, I'm gonna get changed and we'll do a recap. Okay, so I kept on the jeans, but I threw on the Layla Jade Bowie 3/4 sleeve dolman knit top in burgundy, and it's $58. So I do like the arms. I love a dolman sleeve, and I think it's a great fit for me. And I like the neckline. As we know, I've said it many, many times, I don't like things too close to my neck, so this is great. I also like the length of this top. I think it covers what it needs to cover. So I like the color too. I think it's great. It's very, very soft. Now my question to you is, do I need two tops in the same exact style? The other black one I got is the same style, just a different color. I do buy tops like that sometimes, but normally they're just kind of like basic tops that I can layer and things like that. So let me know if you'd buy two tops that are the same style but different colors, like this, the dolman sleeve top. I'm on the fence about it. So I do like it. I can see myself wearing it a lot. So I'm gonna just take a second and put on the vest to show you what the vest looks like. This is the lemon tart vest, and this was the Callan Ponte puffer vest. And they're saying this is gray, and this vest is $88. So it's a little pricey, and it's a little heavy, like I said before, but I think it looks good with the dolman sleeve top, or this color top at least. And I can probably put it with the black dolman top that I got too. So I can probably make this work. But the material is a little bit heavy for me. I'm getting warm because it's not that cold out yet. But it does zip as well. So I'll show you that. Oops, not that high. I don't like that. So it's nice. I think it's a good fit. I'm gonna unzip it because I don't really wear my vest zip. I like them unzipped and looser. So let me know what you think about this. This is the plaid item that she sent for the birthday party that I'm going to in October, that we're wearing buffalo plaid to. I don't know that this is something that I would have picked out to wear to the party. So I don't think this is a piece for that, but it may be a piece that I can incorporate into my wardrobe for other different occasions or just for everyday wear. But let me know what you think. I'm kind of impressed, and I didn't think I would be, so we'll see. All right, let me try on the dress and we'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with my first two items. I put on the 9 Britain Frankel scallop neckline blouse in black, and it's $36. And I also put on the cut from the cloth jeans, the Dana Skinny Girl jeans, and these were $88, which I'll show you in a second. We'll move the camera down so you can see. But first I want to show you the shirt and talk about the shirt. So I'm going to move closer so we can see. Whoops, sorry. This is the scallop neckline. So it's pretty. I also noticed here on the sleeves that the sleeves are scalloped. Whoops, can you see? I'm not sure if you can see that, but maybe you can see it on the other side. The sleeves are scalloped. So they're kind of cute. This is very lightweight, and I'm gonna step back so you can see the length. It's not as short as I thought it was gonna be on me. So it's a pretty good length. I'm on the fence with this. I don't think it does anything for me. I'm not like, oh my God, I need to have it. So I don't know, but it is a good feeling material. Probably a great transition piece, but I'm not really crazy about the neckline, I don't think. I don't know. You tell me. I'm gonna come back and move the camera down so we can talk about the jeans. So these are the cut from the cloth jeans. So I do like the wash on the jeans. I think that they're nice, and I like that they're not distressed because I can wear these to work on Fridays. I'll show you the back. They're very comfortable, and I think they fit me well, except the length. I'm not sure if you'll be able to tell from the camera. They're a little bit bunched up towards the bottom because I'm short, and these are a little bit too long for me, so I'd have to cuff them. And in my last video on my wantable box, I got a pair of jeans very similar to this color that I'm really considering keeping. So I don't think that I need two pairs of the same wash right now. I'm getting a lot of denim in my style boxes, and I kind of have to tell them, hang on, I don't need any more right now. But anyway, And they're $88. So I don't think, and I think the other ones are around that same price. So I'm going to have to decide between the two. And I think I like the other ones a little bit better than these. So let's go. I'm going to put on the other top and we'll talk about that. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with my recap. So really quickly, my total for this order was $318. I would get a buy all discount of 25%, which would take off $79.50, bringing the total to $238.50 if I kept all 5. I'm not going to keep all 5 items though, so I'm not going to get to enjoy that discount. So let's go through the items, and then I really want your feedback, so it's going to help me. The first item is the black scalloped neck t-shirt by 9 Britain. I don't think this one is a keeper for me because I wasn't in love with it. I didn't think it did much for me, so this one's going back, even though the price point was great. The next top was the dolman sleeve top. I really liked this top. I love the color. Everything about it's great, and normally I would have kept it, but since I just bought that black dolman sleeve top, that's what's holding me back from this one, because I'm like, do I really need something so similar, especially because it's so pricey. It's $58, which kind of a lot for what this is, but help me out with that one. The next one is the sweater dress, and I'm not gonna keep this one, I don't think, because I tried it on with some other shoes, even though you didn't see that, and I really wasn't thrilled. So unless you guys can give me ideas on how to style this dress, this is going back. It is a really pretty color. It's a great weight, but I don't know about that one, so I think that one's gonna end up going back too. The next item was the vest, and this was the lemon tart vest. This vest is really cute. I like the pattern. I like the weight of the dress. Oh, the vest. And I think it might be a great piece to carry me through the year, at least the colder part of the year. And I do wear vests a lot. It's $88, which a little bit pricey, but for outerwear, I think you could expect to pay that. I don't know. Tell me what you think. I could wear it with a lot of stuff, but I might just hold out for another vest that I'm in love with and spend that much, because that one I like, but I wasn't in love. And then lastly were the jeans. These are the cut from the cloth jeans, and they're nice, but I also think I'm going to pass on these because I just bought a pair of jeans from my Wantable box that I really like, and they fit me a little bit better. These jeans were a little bit long on me, and they're a similar wash, so I don't really want to spend $88 on another pair of jeans right now. But anyway, I would love to hear your feedback and your comments on my box. Maybe it'll help me make some decisions on that dolman top. Other than that, I think I might send everything else back. It's not a bad box. It was just kind of for me right now. So I might send it back and just request another one. But let me know what you think. I really want to hear what you have to say below. Have a great weekend, and I hope to see you guys soon with some more unboxings.